All right, check 1 2. All right, Dusty. Yes. You asked me about uploading your image or any images to LeadsLeap. I'm not sure what this looks like if you're not a pro member, if you're a free member. But I think it's one of the benefits of going pro. But anyways, on the left-hand side here under Hosting Service, there is Image Manager, and you would click that, and that will bring you to the page that I'm at right now. And you would just click the button here, Add a New Image, and you would click here to upload an image from your computer. And once you upload it, it'll be here. He allows you to upload like 100 megabytes worth of images, so that's quite a few images. These are all the ones that I have hosted up here on the left, and it's super easy to get the link. You just, once you have it hosted up here, you just click on Get Link, and there you go. Kind of a cool benefit, because a lot of hosting companies out there are kind of frowning on the whole hosting of the image. You know, like if you have a folder and you label it images, and you have a bunch of images just sitting up there, they don't they don't like that. So anyways, there you go. Hope that helps, brother. All right, take care. Be safe.